What's up, guys? Welcome back. If you guys remember last video, we went ahead and changed the jets in the new Holley carburetor. But after talking with Rodney, because I'm running a stock fuel line, we're starving the engine for fuel, and that's what's causing out a lean condition. So Rodney went ahead and sent me his complete fuel line kit. It's right here. It comes with a 380 LPH pump, 100 micron filter, 30 micron filter, wiring relay, PTFE lines, -6 and -10, fuel pressure regulator, and some miscellaneous fittings. So we're going to install this today. We're going to start from the front and work our way to the back. I made a mess, but that's okay. But here's the current fuel pump filter lines, 5/16 lines going into the stock fuel line. I'm going to take this all out, and I want to put the new fuel pump and filter right here. That way it's a lot easier to service because the new filters are washable and removable. All right, so we have the old pump out. It's still a very capable pump, but not for the new Holley carburetor. This is going to be 380 liters per hour versus the 60, 70 this one was pushing. So it's going to be a major upgrade to install this because of the more fuel, more boost that's being put out with the new setup. All right, so I have the pre-filter and the fuel pump put together. I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to mount it. It's going to go right here. I already have it marked. So we're going to go ahead and grind this and weld some brackets on there. Here are the brackets all welded up, hot and heavy like I normally do. Pretty solid. This weld came out pretty bad because I didn't sand the paint all the way, but pretty solid. I'm happy with it. Now we just got to mark the holes for the brackets on the pump and filter and mount it. Alright, so here's a pre-filter and the filter mounted. So now we're going to move on to the lines. But after looking at my setup, here's my current return line that's outside of the tunnel. I did want to originally put the lines in the tunnel, but I think I'm going to run the return out here just like I have, and the feed on the passenger side, just because to skip all the welding and cutting and saving time. Here's the old return line. Here's the new PTFE line in its place. Going in pretty good. I did have to drill the hole a lot bigger because the old line is 5/16 and this is -6, so it's about 3/8. So it's a lot bigger. Check it out. Here it is installed. What's nice about the kit is that it comes with these clamps so you can secure the line to the tunnel, or if you're installing it underneath, like right behind the running board. But that's a cool feature that comes in the kit. I'll show you guys really quick where it comes out at. It comes out right here through the master cylinder. I'll probably have the return go back into the neck, maybe under the tank probably. But we do have more -6 line because there's plenty of hose. I'll show you guys here in the back. Plenty of hose right here. So let's go ahead and get started on the passenger side. The passenger side is going to be the feed line to the regulator. All right, so I have the passenger side line done with the clamps bolted down, the hardware included in the kit. And I'm going to show you guys what I have done in the front. So I have the passenger side here. That's going to be the return line. And then I have the driver's side. You know, I changed my mind. It's going to be the feed side because the feed side's right here. I already put the hose in on. It was my first time putting on PTFE lines, so I just wanted to test it out. But I'm going to show you guys how to put a PTFE hose in together. So now it's going to be the hard part. We got to flush the tank out. We're going to cut this off and put the new Welding bung, which is a -10, and we're going to put the return on the neck. All right, so we got the gas tank all prepped up for the -10 bung. We're gonna weld this on there. We're gonna do the filler neck too, but we're gonna do this first. I forgot to mention that you get weld-on bungs for your fuel tank in the complete kit. Alright guys, so we have the new bung welded on. We basically have this whole front end of the new fuel system done. It is getting pretty late. It's Sunday night, so we're going to continue this next weekend, and I'll catch you guys then. Peace.